incredible video footage. Here's video number 3, going to Long Beach, California. This video footage was taken pre-wildfire situation on January 3rd of 2025 at 6:41 p.m. by Gilbert, who noticed mysterious light activity apparently just off the coast of Long Beach. Once again, this is pre-wildfire. This one appeared to be like a very light red, light purple, maybe a light pink, moving very quickly, wasn't making any sound, wasn't blinking, just looked wildly out of place. I mean, it doesn't look like a helicopter or an airplane. What in the world was that thing? And he not only sent me one video, he sent me 3 videos. That's video number 1 he took at 6:41 p.m. Here's video number 2 that he took at 6:42 p.m. Looks like the same thing, possibly a different one, moving in the opposite direction, not quite as fast. But it looks like the same exact object. It's at least the same color. And the color is not being influenced by wildfire smoke because the wildfires hadn't started yet. So this was odd enough for him to pull out his recording device and start recording. Most of us don't start recording airplanes and helicopters just randomly in the nighttime sky because we see them all the time. This is video number 3, taken at 6:43. A minute later, this one was moving much faster, looks to be a slightly different color. This one looks red and white. Cruising along at a high rate of speed near Long Beach, California. Here's video number 4 of a series of videos that I put together by Dominic Young, January 8th of 2025. Video taken at 10:15 p.m. when he too looked up and saw something that looked out of place. It wasn't an airplane, wasn't a helicopter. Looked very similar to what Gilbert saw over in Long Beach, California. However, I'm not sure of the location here of this video. I'm waiting to hear back on the observation here of what he saw in the nighttime sky. He also saw this. Look at that thing. Looked like some sort of a disco ball in the sky. Are you serious right now? I mean, just when you think you've seen it all, here comes something else.